Bridge, the rope raft. Whoa! It's so windy, it's getting blown away. I'll have to take a jump on it. Woo! Let's move the bike over a wee bit so it doesn't fall off. Alright, so rope. And give it a yank. That's a good idea. Listen to that racket. Oh yes, we jumped. Oh! Big bald eagle up there with a bunch of stuff to make a nest with. First I've ever been east. No. Oh wow, look at this bridge. Looks like beavers made it. Whoa! Done the job. Go through that, that's about as far as we'll go. Look at that. Not very green. A nice wee technical bit here, even though it isn't a real mountain bike trail, still a wee bit of skill involved here to maneuver these bridges. Kind of nice. Yeah. Good little spot.
Okay.
Perfect day for us either.
No bugs is a huge one.
Yeah, although your fat tires will cross here. Let's go through a wee bit of water.